DJI continues to lead the drone industry with the upcoming release of the highly anticipated DJI Neo 2, the successor to the original Neo. Although the official announcement is pending, credible rumors from industry insiders suggest exciting features for the new drone. Let's take a look at these rumors, what the Neo 2 will offer. The story of the DJI Neo 2 started with a seemingly innocuous post from an insider on popular social media. According to insiders, the Neo 2 was expected to launch in late 2025. Given the insider's impeccable track record in leaking DJI products, his word carries weight in the drone community. This announcement came as a surprise because the original Neo, which only launched a few months ago, was still fresh in the market. However, it's not unusual for DJI to adopt an annual release cycle for its products, which could explain the quick turnaround for the Neo 2. After the leaks, fans are excitedly expecting the DJI Neo 2's enhanced camera capabilities. The original Neo comes with a half-inch sensor and 4K video recording at 30 FPS, but the Neo 2 is expected to feature a more advanced 1-inch sensor. This would significantly improve the quality of both stills and video, as a larger sensor allows for better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and more detailed, vibrant colors. The Neo 2 could potentially shoot 20-megapixel photos and record 5.4K video at 60 FPS, making it an excellent option for both amateur filmmakers and drone enthusiasts who demand high-quality visuals. In addition to an upgraded camera, the Neo 2 is expected to be significantly faster than its predecessor. The original Neo has a top speed of around 35 miles per hour, but the Neo 2 is expected to hit speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. This increased speed will not only allow for more dynamic shots and faster flight times, but also improve its ability to handle windy conditions. Battery life, another important factor for drone users, is expected to see a significant improvement as well. The Neo 2 is expected to have a flight time of at least 40 minutes on a single charge, a considerable upgrade over the Neo's 18-minute flight time. This extended battery life will give users more freedom to capture longer flights without the constant need to recharge or swap batteries. The Neo 2 is expected to prioritize safety and usability with an advanced obstacle avoidance system featuring sensors on all sides for 360-degree detection. This enhancement will minimize accidents in tight or cluttered environments, making it ideal for urban and indoor use. Additionally, the drone may incorporate AI-powered tracking improvements like ActiveTrack 5.0, allowing for more precise subject tracking, whether it's a person, animal, or vehicle. These upgrades are set to make the Neo 2 a versatile tool for capturing dynamic, cinematic footage across various scenarios, enhancing its appeal to both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. The Neo 2 is also expected to feature a redesigned controller. The new controller could come with a built-in touchscreen, eliminating the need for a smartphone during operation. This would streamline the flying experience, providing a more intuitive interface for controlling the drone and viewing live feeds. On the connectivity front, the Neo 2 is expected to support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster and more reliable communication between the drone and the controller. These upgrades would minimize lag and improve overall performance, particularly when flying at long distances or in areas with poor signal strength. While the original Neo is an impressive drone, the Neo 2 promises to build on its predecessor's strengths while addressing some of its weaknesses. The Neo's half-inch sensor is good for most users, but the 1-inch sensor on the Neo 2 will offer significantly better image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. Additionally, the Neo's flight time of 18 minutes is fairly standard, but the Neo 2's expected 40-minute battery life will be a huge selling point for users who want to capture more footage without interruptions. The Neo 2 will also have the edge in terms of speed, with a top speed of 60 miles per hour compared to the Neo's 35 miles per hour. The Neo 2's advanced obstacle avoidance and AI tracking features will make it safer and easier to use in challenging environments, further enhancing its appeal for both casual and professional users. With the release of the Neo 2 on the horizon, DJI will face stiff competition from other drone manufacturers, including established brands like Autel, Skydio, and Parrot. Autel's Evo series, particularly the Evo 2 Pro V3, is a direct competitor to the Neo 2, offering 6K video resolution and a 1-inch sensor. Skydio's drones, known for their exceptional obstacle avoidance and AI capabilities, could also pose a challenge to DJI's latest offering. Additionally, Parrot's Anafi USA, with its 4K camera and advanced AI-powered features, is another drone that could steal some of the Neo 2's thunder. The DJI Neo 2 is set to be a remarkable upgrade from the original Neo, featuring improvements in speed, camera quality, battery life, and usability. Although unconfirmed, rumors suggest that DJI aims to enhance the compact, foldable design, making it more portable for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Key advancements may include AI-powered features like obstacle avoidance and tracking, positioning the Neo 2 as a strong contender in the drone market by late 2025. Another anticipated improvement is noise reduction, addressing past concerns about the Neo's loud flight noise, making it more suitable for quiet environments. If these features hold true, the Neo 2 could redefine user experience for both recreational flyers and content creators. The original DJI Neo is a great buy for potential drone users, even with the Neo 2 on the horizon. Launched at a competitive price, the Neo offers 18-minute flight time, 4K video at 30 FPS, and a 4.3-mile range, making it ideal for casual users and enthusiasts. While the Neo 2 promises upgrades, it seems more like an incremental improvement than a complete overhaul, catering mainly to those seeking advanced features. Thank you for tuning in. The DJI Neo 2 could be a serious game changer for everyday flyers. Sleek, smart, and possibly more affordable than all we think. The Neo 2 might be the perfect balance of performance and portability. DJI could be onto something big here. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments section below.